Okay, we're here at the Cypress Gardens. We're gonna go see some gators and take a boat ride. So come with us. Hopefully I survive. Terrifying. I love the wispy willow trees. What are they called? Spanish moss?
Maybe.
They're so pretty.
Are there any alligators up on the tree?
There could be a gator on the trail, it says.
Yeah, there might be. We'll probably see at least 8 gators. That's my guess.
I hope we don't see any, because that's terrifying. I've seen this.
It's like an aggressive. It's like really scared.
We're in the Gator Swamp.
We're here.
We might see a gator and I'm terrified. I'm scared.
All right.
Think we're gonna see any?
Probably. Your turn to paddle.
It's my turn to paddle.
This person's standing on the thing.
Oh my god, there's a child standing on the boat.
Could easily fall in.
Terrifying.
Have a nice
Look at this
crispy
gator
snack.
land.
Gator snack.
See any gators yet?
Not yet.
Is this a gator or is this a branch?
That branch is a gator.
I don't know what that is. That's terrifying. Somehow we have to go under this tiny bridge.
It seems excessively low.
We just came under the bridge and we were over here and there's a freaking gator.
Gator right there.
And my heart is racing.
He's blinking.
Stop.
He's big enough to bite your toe off.
There's an alligator over there, just letting you know.
He looks hungry. Also, it's excessively low how unbelievably low you have to go. How low can you go? You said that you survived a gator.
It's a freaking gator.
You are the one.
A freaking gator in the wild.
He was waiting under the bridge. So we were at our weakest moment, our most vulnerable moment, and then he was ready to munch.
Okay, it's your turn to paddle again.
Okay. Tortoise. Tortoise in the wild. What are you doing?
Yeah, photo.
Don't you know there's gators out there? No, it's not safe. You should have taken a picture of that gator.
I was too scared.
You're definitely not a wildlife photographer.
I got too scared. Oh my god, he just moved. Holy crap.
He's getting ready to pounce.
He's looking for us. Girl, you're heading right for him.
Head right for him.
We're in the bridge again.
All right, here we go. This one's not as bad as the last one. We should have filmed when we got through it.
And the last one,
so
I didn't have
tight.
space to film.
It's literally not safe.
There's any gators over here?
And there was gators on the other side.
That was terrifying. That was like a nightmare.
That was
We
ridiculous.
didn't get that on video, but a squirrel just fell from the tree.
It fell in the tree into
all the way
water.
up there into the water, and we heard a giant slap.
And no joke, it was like a freaking.
Was it a beaver? It
I
sounded like
don't
a
know.
huge belly
It
flop.
was a massive
Poor
belly
little
flop
squirrel.
for the squirrel.
That's so sad.
And went back up the tree.
I wish I got on video because that would have gone viral.
It was like 3 feet
was
away from
wild.
us. He could have landed in the boat.
Oh my god, you're right.
He would have been landed in the boat. Millie would have freaked.
Oh my god.
You're gonna move back some?
I just want to get this little twig man.
Where? What twig man?
Down in the water. Got it.
Okay. Anything else to report? The squirrel was so wet when he fell in the water.
Poor little guy.
I mean,
He looked embarrassed.
he would have easily ruptured all of his organs with the energy that he hit the water. He I bet you that's what the crocodiles eat. They eat some squirrels when they fall in the water.
That's probably why he got out of there so quick.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we're gonna hit.
Oh my god. Red alert. Switch paddles for some reason.
Could be a gator on these lands.
Oh my god. So we've seen 2 so far. Don't see any more out there in the gator world.
I think we found a 3rd gator.
This one looks bigger.
Oh my god.
That's a big tail.
Oh my god, that's a freaking gator. Oh my god, there's 2 of them.
Is there a baby and a mom? These look big.
They're huge.
They might be able to munch you a little bit.
Alright, let's continue on. Oh,
All
we
right.
gotta go over here.
Have to go that way.
Catch sticker.
Sticker.
A nice little picnic table with some gators. We're too scared to go down the trail because we saw the gators and I don't want to get eaten today.
Some of them are quite large.
There's a real big one. Stop, there's another one. Holy crap, he's huge. Oh my god. There's a child running towards it. Oh my god.
They're so big.
This one's really big.
He's really slow. Large gator. So large. Weird neck.
Snake. Tortoise.
Looks bored.
This guy. Trying to get out. His name is Bob. He bobs.
Is that really his name?
No, I made it up.
Okay. Oh my
What
god,
the
he's
heck is
big.
that? I thought he was a rock.
He's
The heck?
large.
What is that? What is that for real? It's a
know.
spiny soft-shelled turtle.
Oh my god. He is large.
Wait, show his size next to me.
He's a large fish. Crocodile. God, they get that big? Every once in a while you see a video.
River to the Gulf States.
Every once in a while you see a picture of giant fish like this. There's a large catfish.
Get it for scale. Here he comes. He's gonna eat my head off.
God, he is huge. God, he's big. He looks like Lula.
Good cat. Going in.
Butterfly house.
Butterflies.
There's butterflies in the butterfly house. The butterfly. The butterfly. Butterflies. 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 And for Millie's birthday, we went to a butterfly house. Here with the pork belly curry.
Yeah. Looks like lead.
Yes, we're using the light indoors.